Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with their family and friends. I'm also okay, alhamdulillah. So let's back to video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas, inspiring ideas about beautiful wooden projects, handmade ideas. It's a beautiful handmade ideas with wooden. It's very amazing and beautiful, fantastic handmade ideas with wooden projects. So please don't skip my video. Don't forget sharing these all videos with your all family and all friends. It's all our amazing and fantastic ideas and cutest ideas and stylish ideas and fantastic ideas, wooden homemade ideas. Wow, it's fantastic and fabulous ideas, homemade ideas with wooden projects. So please don't skip my video. Don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our highly requested ideas, fantastic and top stylish ideas, top trending fashion. So please don't skip my video. And if you are watching first time my video, then I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. It's amazing and highly requested ideas, top fantastic ideas, top trending fashion, wooden handmade ideas with wooden and beautiful teeny things, fantastic ideas you can see in this video. So please don't skip my video. Do support my all videos with your all family and all friends. It's amazing and fantastic ideas and cutest ideas. Beautiful.